right, this Pioneer home, that's the oldest building we have. Now this building was built in 1770. To the right is a wishing well. Stop by, drop a coin in, make a wish. Hey, look over here to the left with that koi pond right there. We got some big old koi fish. You're welcome to feed them. To the left, the old covered bridge. That bridge was built in 1899 down in Reed City, Alabama. Moved here to the falls in the late 1960s. That's why you're in the barn. Up on the hill to the left, mini golf. It is open.
Oh, wow. Never seen that. They're playing. Dang, this one's like a roller coaster.
Now if you look to the left, you see the Wilson building. This building is part of the dock mill down in Gadsden, Alabama City. Now that building back behind it, that's Jesse James Hideout. Jesse James hitting at her. On the back side. Now if you look over here to the right, you can look across there and see the rock garden. To the left, the old country store and the post office. Building dates back to 1812. To the right, it was in the Fat Man Squeeze. Now if you look to the right, you can look down in the Fat Man Squeeze.
That's cool.
To the left, the boardwalk. You can walk across it, see the falls, and look down into the gorge.